Even notice this is a coffee mug. Joshua said, could you drink it? It probably have like coffee pastry in the middle. Go one. And I know I want strawberry. Is this strawberry?
That's raspberry. There is no strawberry.
Okay, you can get the blueberry one.
Anything else?
20, 22.18. Okay, y'all, we back from the store. Let me show y'all what the pastries look like. This is mango chocolate.
Yeah, mango.
This is the mango one. I believe this one will be it. We got a blueberry one. It was just rolling all around it. The blueberry one. Okay, so we about to bust these bitches down. Mango one first. I'm just by one side, you by the other side.
Yeah.
It ain't even hard. Where's the crunch at?
It's probably, you probably got to do it right after.
Mm-hmm. Look at the inside. That's good. Okay, this will probably still have a crunch to it. Let's see.
Good.
That blueberry one, I don't know. This is good. This mango is good though. Yeah. This is like a 9 out of 10, that mango. The blueberry. I don't know. Maybe I need another bite, but Joshua got all the filling and all that. Hold on.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to, probably, you should have ate it right at the stove. It's kind of hard though, it's hard filling.
It's still hard, it just don't got the crunch.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, because we was in the car. Oh, they eat.
They both good. This tastes like a blueberry toaster strudel. You ain't never had that, huh?
Yeah, I did.
It tastes like a blueberry toaster strudel, huh? Joshua say hell no. Or blueberry cupcake. Oh, I can have these?
I can eat all that.
Okay, the blueberry I'm gonna give like a 7, 6.5. But the mango like a 9. That's